In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Waze 2026. If you want to get a closer view of the map in Waze, the good news is that it's very simple and there are two easy ways to do it. This is especially helpful if you want to see nearby streets more clearly, check road details, or get a better look at a specific area on the map. To begin, go ahead and open Waze. Once Waze is on your screen, you'll be able to access the map and use the zoom controls directly from there. Make sure you are fully inside the Waze map view before trying to adjust anything, because that's where the zoom options will be available. Once you are already inside Waze, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see the map controls there. These controls are designed to help you quickly adjust your view without needing to change any settings. On the right-hand side, find the plus button. This is the zoom in control. Click on the plus button once and Waze will zoom in a little bit. If you want to get even closer, you can click it again as many times as needed until the map reaches the level you want. This method is great if you prefer a precise, controlled way to zoom in step by step. After you click the plus button, you'll notice that the map starts zooming in. Roads, labels, and nearby areas become larger and easier to see. If you accidentally zoom in too far, you can always adjust the view again afterward, but for now, this is the first method to zoom in successfully. The other way to zoom in is by using your mouse. This method can feel faster and more natural, especially if you are already moving around the map on a computer. Place your cursor over the map, then use your mouse wheel and scroll it upward to zoom in. As you scroll up, Waze will gradually bring you closer to the area you are viewing. This is useful when you want to zoom in smoothly instead of clicking the plus button multiple times. So, to quickly recap, there are two ways to zoom in Waze. The first is by using the plus button on the right-hand side of the screen, and the second is by scrolling up with your mouse wheel. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever one feels easier for you. And that's all there is to it. That's how to zoom in on Waze in 26.